बहुत शुक्रिया रफ़ीक साहब। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आदाब, अर्ज़, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार। मैं आप सबको एक बार फिर आज की इस खूबसूरत प्रोग्राम में मैं आपको खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। और ये जो बज़म है आज की, अब आपको पता है कि ये साउथ एशियन लिटरेरी सोसाइटी के ज़ेर एहतमाम जो है वो इसको हमने मुनक़्क़द किया है। और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप सब लोग जो हैं वो उर्दू और पंजाबी तो आप समझते हैं, इंग्लिश की मेरे यहाँ ज़रूरत नहीं है। अगर हो तो आप बता दीजिए, हम कुछ इंग्लिश में भी कुछ बात कर सकते हैं। तो once again I welcome all of you for this event which we have organized under the banner of the South Asian Literary Society, and we really appreciate your presence today. The objective of this event is to have the opening ceremony of our book, which is called as Qalma, and we know that Qalma means pen, and this is a common word in all the languages. So this book is consisting of 3 languages, that is Urdu, Punjabi and Hindi, and this is the objective of this South Asian Literary Society, to provide a platform to all those writers, particularly the local writers in Canada and in particular in Metro Vancouver or in BC, so that encourage them to write their poetry and their prose and their articles, so that they should have a platform and they can get an encouragement, and then their writings and poetry is to be shared with others. And this is the underlying objective of this association, which was formed 3 years ago. And in our association, we have members from South Asian community, in particular India and Pakistan. So they are also our members, and they also sit on our board of directors. So this is the real spirit of the South Asian Literary Society. To proceed further with the program, मैं इस एसोसिएशन के जो प्रेसिडेंट हैं जनाब द्विवेदी जी, आचार्य जी, उनसे मैं गुजारिश करूंगा कि वो यहाँ तशरीफ़ लाएं और एसोसिएशन के बारे में मज़ीद आपसे बात करें। द्विवेदी जी।